So just as a refresher, we're going to talk about place value. Here's the ones place, here's the tens place, and here is the hundreds place. The value a digit has because of its place in a number. The name of the position a digit has in a number, such as ones or tens. So here we have 1 in the ones place, a 2 in the tens place, and a 3 in the 100ths place. So our total number is 321. 321. Now, if I were going to decompose this number, I would, let's see here, so if I take one of these 100s and I'm going to put it over here in the tens place, I now have 10 tens because 100 is made up of 10 tens. So if I were to do that, I now need to add 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I decomposed that 100 into 10 tens. So I still have 321. I just have 2 hundreds. There was 10 plus the 2, so 12 in my tens place, which we know 10 makes another 100, and then I still have that 1 in my ones place. So 321 can also look like this, because we decomposed the 100 into 10 tens. Allie needed to solve the problem, but did it incorrectly. 304 minus 9 is not 205. Let's figure out what Allie did wrong. First, Allie took 4 minus 9 in the ones place and realized she couldn't do that. She went over to the tens place where there's a 0, recognized she couldn't borrow or expand off of the 10, so she moved to the hundreds place and made this a 2. And instead of breaking down that 100 and putting the 9 tens here and the 1 10 in the ones place, Allie forgot to put her 9 tens and went straight over to the ones place and just made this 14. So 14 minus 9 is, let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. She did the 0 right down and the 2 in the hundreds place right down, which is incorrect. Sorry, Allie. So let's take a look at what Allie should have done. First, Allie was right where she started with a 4 minus 9. We recognize, uh-oh, I can't take 4 from 9, so I move over. Oh no, there's nothing that I can borrow or expand from, so we go to the hundreds place. This will now be a 2, and we have to bring that extra 100 over. So now we will have 90 extra tens, and we are going to, because we're taking that 1 and putting the 10 in the ones place. So now that makes that 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. And we bring the 9 down, and we bring the 2 down. So the correct answer is 295. Good try, Allie. Try again next time. Now I want you to try a problem on your own, and this problem is going to have you decompose a certain number into another in our place value chart. Now pause the video now, and when you're done, press play and we'll go over it together. Okay, great job. So first we take our 8 and we see we have to take away 9. Oh no, we can't do that without getting a negative number. So we're going to have to decompose from our tens place. However, because there are no tens, we're now going to have to go over to the 100s place, okay? So we know that there are 10 tens in 100. So we're going to cross him out, and we need to borrow 1. So he's going to become a 1 because we're borrowing 100. Now, this is going to become a 9 because we still need that 110 over here in our ones place. So we're going to make this an 18. So 9 plus 1, that's our 10 that we get decomposed from the hundreds place. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer to the problem is 9. Did you get it?